Welcome to Cuisinia Cooking, the channel for easy cooking tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to get notified of new cuisines. Today, we'll be making the tastiest chicken adobong sitaw. Now, let's go to the ingredients. 2 cloves garlic, half sliced onion, soy sauce, salt, black pepper, 1 chicken breast, and sitaw, the string beans. Now, let's slice and cube the chicken breast. Careful with the knife, the chicken is slippery. Once we're done, let's prepare the pan with low heat and 1½ teaspoon of oil. If we're not using non-stick pan, we make sure to spread the oil in the pan. Now let's add the minced garlic, followed by the sliced onion, let's saute them for a little while. Now let's go ahead and add the chicken. Cook it for 3 to 5 minutes on low to medium heat. Now, we will add the soy sauce, Two teaspoons should be enough. Let's mix it together to achieve uniform color. We add 1 cup of water, cover it for 3 minutes and bring it to boil. We add the string beans, mix it together, and leave it on low to medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes. And last but not least, let's add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And the same of black pepper. And we're done! Enjoy your meal and tell me how it tasted in the comments below. If you have additions or suggestions, I'm open and will be reading all of your comments. If you liked my video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell to get notified of my new uploads. My channel is new and would benefit greatly from your support. Thank you!